so I decided to list these two together. They're really nice, and I generally don't see these type around, and I haven't had these type before. But I do, well, I see them on occasion, but I generally don't pick them up. But this was in a group of stuff that I bought, and I was like, oh, and I thought, wow, alright, I'll try them out. These are really good. These brass pieces here. It's really nice. So I'll sell them to you. These are together. Put that on there. And you get this one too. Good condition. Nice pieces. There you are. Alright, well, that's that. Okay, I better move on to something else. They're really quite nice. They're really lovely, so why not? Why not, I say. Okay, keep watching some of my stuff, and, you know, you never know.